Ever wondered why birds sit on power lines without a care? It all comes down to electricity and the magic of circuits. Birds are safe because they touch only one wire at a time. If they touch two wires, or wire and a pole, that's when trouble starts. Electricity needs a path to flow and birds provide none. Think of it like walking on a tightrope. Stay balanced, stay safe. Their feathers act as insulators, keeping them safe from shocks. Birds have a natural instinct to avoid those risky situations. Their lightweight body and small feet help them stay safe on wires. So, next time you see a bird on a wire, relax, they're just chillin'. They are not just brave, they are smart about their perch choices. Like and subscribe for more interesting content.